Inverter.
Welcome to clickmyproject.com. The title of the project is Disease Prediction Using Visual Learning. The abstract of the project is primary healthcare can cover the majority of persons' health needs throughout their life, including prevention, treatment, rehabilitations, and palliative care. At least half of the world's people still lack full coverage of essential health services. Healthcare bots or health bots are intended to provide personalized health and therapy information to patients, provide relevant product and service to patients, as well as suggest diagnosis and recommended treatments based on patient symptoms. Health chat that asks patients to understand their symptoms and then sends the data to doctors, who provide diagnosis and prescribe medicine in real time. Disease prediction system is based on predictive modeling, predicts the disease of the user on the basis of symptoms that user provides as an input to the system. The system analyzes the symptoms provided by the user as input and gives the probability of the disease as an output. Disease prediction is done by implementing the decision tree classification algorithm. Machine learning classifier calculates the probability of the disease. With big data growth in biomedical and healthcare communities, accurate analysis of medical data benefits yearly disease detections, patient care. The flow diagram of the project is first we are going to start the project and select our disease dataset and load the dataset. In pre-processing method, it contains cleaning the dataset. In cleaning process, it will check the missing data and null values. If it is any null values or missing data is present in the data, in pre-processing method, it cleans the data and replace all the missing values in the unique value of 0, and then is processed into feature selection model. In feature selection model, the data is split into training dataset and testing dataset. Then it processed into classification method. In classification method, the different types of machine learning algorithm will apply and predict the disease. And result will be based on accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. Also, the project is enhanced in graphical user interface model. In graphical user interface model, first we need to import the disease dataset. Then the graphical user interface dialog box, the user will shown. The user will select the 5 different types of symptoms based on our dataset, and then highlights the symptoms based on machine learning algorithm. In this process, there are 3 different types of machine learning algorithm is applied and to classify and predict what type of disease will present based on the symptoms. The classification algorithms are decision tree algorithm, random forest algorithm, and naive Bayes algorithms, and it also shows the prediction level of the disease in the console. First, I am going to run the console data results. These are our results based on disease prediction. In support vector machine, shows the accuracy is 98%, and decision tree algorithm shows the accuracy range of 96%, and finally the naive Bayes algorithm shows the accuracy of k nearest neighbor shows the accuracy of 0.94%, and naive Bayes algorithm shows the accuracy of 0.92 accuracy. These are the classification reports of each and every algorithm. This is precision value and recall value and F1 score based on disease. We have 40 different types of disease in our dataset. So in every disease will find the classification reports. This is decision tree classification report. This is logistic regression classification report. This is k nearest neighbor classification report. This is X value of our data set based on symptoms. This is X test value of our data set. This is extend value of our data set. This is our original data set. This is the dimensionality reduction data frame based on disease. Index is based on disease and the columns are based on different types of symptoms. This is our decision tree algorithm accuracy. This is our k nearest neighbor algorithm accuracy. This is linear regression accuracy. The predictor classes are based on disease and symptoms. This is support vector machine algorithm results. This is our target value. This is our prediction value. This is our weight test value. And finally this is our weight train value. Next we are going to run the graphical user interface model. This is the graphical user interface model. First we need to enter the name. Example, any name should represent. I will choose Raja. Then I choose the symptoms based on our data set. You can manually choose any types of symptoms. And just pain, depression, fast heart race. First we need to classify the decision tree algorithm. In decision tree algorithm shows the thyroid disease, and random forest algorithm also shows the thyroid disease, and naive Bayes algorithm shows the GERD disease. These are our algorithm predict the disease based on our symptoms. This is our console result based on the classification.